is Craft Room Crash, and I'm in Blackstone, Illinois, outside DIYer Steve Connor's house. Now, he says he's a barnwood hoarder and that garbage day is his favorite day of the week. So let's go crash his craft room and find out what Steve is making today.
Jane!
Hi, Steve!
How are you?
I'm good. Where's the craft room?
It's not here. It's in the barn.
The barn?
The barn.
Oh, boy. Let's go. This is your craft room.
This is it.
It's very manly.
My craft room is in our family barn. It's been in our family for 100 years.
There's just a lot of stuff in here,
There
Steve.
is a lot. There is a lot.
It's so much fun to look at. It's very industrial.
I paint signs in here. I create. I go through my junk in here.
And then I love this over here. It's like being at the hardware store.
I built that to keep track of what paint I have and don't have. It's cluttered most of the time. It's dirty most of the time.
And your little workspace over there that looks really pretty too.
Pretty. But it's a second home for me, and I love doing what I do out here.
Did you paint this, or what is this
I
wall?
did paint that. That behind that wall is hiding my obsession. I'm inspired by the old sign painters, old billboards, everything old. My wife doesn't know what's back here.
I do now.
I get a rush out of it. It's like a junk endorphins.
There's a mannequin in there.
There's a mannequin, a couple of them.
There's windows in there.
Looks like I'm breaking the law somehow, rolling up to somebody's front yard and taking their property. Bicycles, car
Hubcaps.
parts,
And there's a whole area up here.
but it's just garbage. I'm giving life to something that's old.
Okay, so what are we gonna make today?
Today we're making barnwood signs.
Out of old barnwood?
It's just an easy project, and I think a lot of people could do it if they wanted to.
Let's go.
All right. First we're gonna pick out some barnwood.
So just like this.
Yep.
I see that it's still got some dirt on it.
It's got, you want to call it dirt, it's dirt. We're going to cut it to size, frame it with other barnwood.
Whoa, that's so cool. Wait, I'm
Knock
doing
yourself out, yep.
it? Oh, jeez. Oh. That's awesome.
You want to do more?
Yeah, one more. Yeah.
Perfect. When we get that together, we're going to lay out our design in chalk.
Oh, a ruler is actually coming into play.
We're just going to do a script in the creative. We're going to put living down in here.
Yeah.
And when we get what we want, we will fill in the chalk with paint.
Oh, what color? I love yellow.
Yellow?
I love yellow. Do you have to be an expert sign painter to be able to do this?
No.
Okay, so this is done. It's got to dry. We're gonna put yellow over the top, and then we decided the teal so it matches my shirt.
Yep.
So I noticed that when the person who's painting is painting, they can't really speak.
Yeah.
That's so good.
Is it therapeutic?
I love it. Okay, I love the way this is looking. Are we almost finished?
I'd like to add a little depth, so we're gonna mix up a little bit darker color than what the wood is and create a drop shadow.
Wow, that's awesome.
Pretty simple. Let it dry, wipe the chalk off, and we'll have a finished product.
This is so amazing. Thank you so much for having me in your craft barn.
Thanks for coming.
Can I come back?
Absolutely.
Okay, good. I'm gonna let her and you're gonna want to hire me.
All right.
I already know it. Thank you. Thanks so much to Steve. Now we all know how to make a barnwood sign, and that's what Steve is making in his craft room. What are you making in your craft room? I'll see you next time. Okay, I don't think I would change this a bit because it's really great. Can I have it? Hey, and don't forget, happiness is handmade, because when your craft room is a barn, you better watch out for animal leftovers.